In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code on Google Sites fast and easy, whether you want to add an interactive widget, a dynamic form, or perhaps a video that you love. Embedding code on Google Sites can bring a lot of functionality and engagement to your site. So let's go ahead and walk through this process together, ensuring you'll be able to embed code quickly and efficiently. First, we need to head over to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Sites in the search bar. Hit search, and from the list of results, click on the first link that appears. This will direct you to the Google Sites page. Once you're there, you'll be presented with any sites you've previously created with Google Sites. If you haven't yet created a site, it's advisable to do that first. But for now, let's select an existing site by clicking on it. Now, once your site is open, look towards the right-hand side for the Insert panel. This panel is your gateway to adding various elements to your site. Among the options you'll see on this panel is the one we are interested in today, the Embed feature. Go ahead and click on this. Upon clicking Embed, you will be given two options. In this case, choose the Embed code option. It will prompt a pop-up window inviting you to paste in the embed code you have. Whether it's an iframe for a calendar, a widget for social media feeds, or an embed code for a video from a third-party platform, this is the moment to copy that code and paste it into the box provided in the pop-up. After pasting your embed code, you'll notice a Next button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Click on it to proceed. This step essentially validates and processes your code, giving you a preview of what it will look like on your site. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Insert. This action will place the element within your page, allowing you to drag and position it correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded code onto your Google site. It's a fairly straightforward process that once you've done a couple of times will become second nature. Just remember to always check your code for any errors or modifications that might be needed when embedding from external sources. By following these instructions, you're opening the door to a wide range of possibilities and creative ways to build more engaging content. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.